Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we're going to talk about combined audiences. So combined audiences is another option which you get in audience targeting in Google Ads, where you can combine multiple audiences together. So you will be able to combine multiple audiences to create various types of combinations. So we create combinations primarily to target a specific kind of audience whom you would like to show your ads. So here we can use various functions like and, or not, and create these combinations and are able to target ads for two specific audiences. So let's have a look at this, guys, on the platform, how practically you can do it. So once we log into our Google Ads account, we can select the campaign in which we want to do this. And then we can go to the audiences section where we can edit the audience segment and we can select combined audiences over here. So when we go to browse, we can see your combined audience segments, the option, and we can create a new combined segment over here. So let's say I want to create a combined audience for targeting people for my running shoes product. So I'm going to name that in that particular manner. Combined audience, which is for running shoes. So I'm thinking in this manner that I want to create a combination between two segments. One is affinity. I want to target those people who are interested in sports. So they can be a good audience for me to sell my running shoes. So I'm going to choose sports in affinity. So something like these, affinity towards basketball, baseball, different types of sports related stuff. I can use that over here. So people interested in all of this, right? So they can be one set of audience I would like to target. And now I combine this with in-market audiences who buy shoes online. So now this is a combination which we have created out here. As you can see, so what is going to happen is we are going to target those people who are available in both of these audiences. People who are interested in all of this and they buy shoes online. That is what is going to be the combined audience we will target now. So this will narrow down our audience and we will be able to target a specific kind of people who have a higher chances or likelihood of purchasing our product. I hope this makes sense. You understand now how combined audiences work. They help to target specific audience who have a higher chances of conversion or a sale happening. Once you do this, you can save this. Once you save this, this will appear inside our campaign over here in the campaign and you can use that. I hope this makes sense. You understand how combined audiences work and how you can apply that in a campaign. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session today, and I will see you in the next video.